Since
With what?
sun. Sun is outside! Sun is outside! Sun is outside!
Is it the
Sun! Bye y'all. Y'all are good. I'm good. Sun, what is this? What is this? I just got attacked! Hello?
Why are you in the void?
I'm dead. Hey, I'll get that for real.
What the frick happened? Yo, what happened to me?
Everyone's lagging. Wait. How are you alive?
I don't know.
I think you're supposed to revive people, bro.
What the frick?
We're so good.
That's so loud. I don't know what happened. Hello?
I can revive you, hold on. I just revived you!
No! Oh my god, boy! Oh my god, boy! Oh my god, boy! Stop, son!
Dude, where are you?
I'm hiding! I'm scared!
Revive me!
Oh, I'm dead.
He's out the hallway, don't go.
He's too fast. He's too fast and furious.
He needs some water. What are we supposed to do in this situation? Ain't no way, Donnie.
don't even know.
They're talking about you.
Huh?
They say ain't no way, Donnie.
Tell them I don't know what to do. I'm like, bro, what am I supposed to do? Why am I alive? Oh my god. Stop!
You locked behind the way. Are you behind the freaking locks? Cause all I see is like
Yes!
not the no, they're
Tell them
mocking
I
you
don't
cause
even
they're
know what
behind
I'm
cause you're behind
doing.
locks. Hey yo, he left. Help.
We need someone. We need someone. I'm gonna cry. Hello?
I can revive you, hold on.
No, stop! Stop
Revive me!
reviving me!
Revive me! Revive me! Okay, wait,